Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get subtitles in Netflix. If you'd like to turn on the subtitle for your favorite TV shows or movies on Netflix, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening your web browser and log into your Netflix account. From your Netflix homepage, select any movies that you'd like to play. As soon as your movie starts to play, go to the bottom and click on this Audio and Subtitles option from the panel. Now, you'll be able to see Audio and Subtitles tab from the expanded menu. In order to enable the subtitle option, go and click on the available language from the options. Once you do that, go ahead and play your movie to find the subtitles on the display. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.